That was the building that the elevators was an epic fail on. And then there's the parking deck. And then that's the building that we actually did do the elevators. That was air conditioned.
Yep.
I think it's going to be this one because I think I heard it.
Here it is.
Yep.
Yep. They're tall.
Got a padding on the
Oh, these are air conditioned. Wow.
Yeah. Wow, these are good. These have a plywood floor. Actually, the plywood's just covering over the real floors. They must be using them for car guys, so they don't want to damage the floor.
These are all locked out.
Okay, yep. There
So
we
we
go.
can go into the lobby area here.
It says Otis. Yep. We don't need to go in the lobby area. And just. Okay. Oh, these feel nice after being out in the heat. It's 101 today in Chapel Hill.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, it's not any warmer if we got back on 40 and went back to 85 and
It's
went
amazing that parking deck elevators would be air conditioned and motel elevators inside aren't.